What's up, YouTube? I am super excited because this is my second video. It has taken me forever to just get up the nerve to make YouTube videos, basically. Not necessarily because I was nervous, but mainly because I just knew it was a lot of work and I didn't feel like dealing with all of that. But it's 2025, and I know that I have a lot of talents, a lot of skills, and a lot of knowledge because I have been in the hair game for forever. So it's time for me to share that with the world. So in this video, I'm going to be doing lock maintenance and lock repair. As you can see, I'm starting off by shampooing my client, giving her a good moisturizing steam treatment. She has a scalp issue and has hair loss in some places. And so I am helping her get to a better place with that. So I love to give my clients TLC whenever they come in. So I love to give them a nice head massage and just make them feel calm, relaxed, and cared for because that's how we all should feel, you know? My head massages usually last for about 5 minutes, and then I will just let the client steam for a little while before I bring them back to the chair. So I'll just continue to give her a massage and let her steam, and then we will get right off into it. So I just want to say, please like and subscribe this video. I am new to YouTube, and I'm just super excited that I have got over myself and have started to make a video and that I've just decided to start. Things aren't going to be perfect. I'm going to mess up, but hey, here I am. I'm getting better. Okay, so let's get started. So, as you can see, she has a very thin lock that is on the verge of letting go. So, I start off by making thin strips of braiding hair. You see they're super thin, and this particular piece of hair, I cut it in half and I just lay it on top. I just lay it on top and start crocheting it into her hair. So pay attention. I am rolling everything together and I am crocheting it. I'm just poking in and out with that crochet hook, and it is just pulling everything together and creating a lock. I continue to go in and out with that crochet hook throughout the duration of the lock. I do that all the way to the end. If my braiding hair extends past the lock, then I just simply cut off where the braiding hair extends past the lock and crochet any loose hairs up into it. You'll see me do this process over and over throughout the video from different angles. As you can see, there's some little hair sticking out, and I am nearing closer to the end, and that braiding hair extends past her original lock. So I'm just going to go back up and down the lock, get those loose hairs that are sticking out, and I'm going to crochet them in. I'm going to use that hook and just pull them through. I'm taking my scissors and I'm cutting the end of that braiding hair, and I'm just going to crochet whatever's left and move right on. Whenever you're doing this crochet technique, it's important to be mindful that the tip of that hook is kind of sharp. So you want to be careful not to poke yourself in the finger, even though it's going to happen regardless because it just does. But you just got to be careful. So in this next clip, she has two locks that are combined. She has like a lock and then they split into two. A lot of people call those double-headed dragons. And so I'm using the same technique. I just put the braiding hair on top and I get to working that hook in and out, in and out. Since her locks are so thin, it's easy to cover them up with the braiding hair and make them thicker. And I'm going up and down, up and down, up and down until that lock is totally mended. I love locks because you can fix them no matter what is going on. If a piece of hair is too thin, you can thicken it up. If it's too short, you can make it longer. Locks are just very transformable, and I love that. My baby has locks. You'll be seeing some videos of me doing her hair as well. I just think locks are amazing. I wish that my hair would lock, but that's another story for another day. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Leave me some comments. Tell me what you think. And please like, share, and subscribe and help me grow this channel, y'all. Peace.